Hello. What a day it's going to be. It's about 90 degrees here in Benson. And what better day than to pressure wash the house on a hot day? House is filthy. You don't realize it until you get to washing how dirty it is. We're going to get it clean. Get it all nice and clean. Even the sidewalk and driveway need to clean, and I didn't realize how dirty it was. There's a little bit of cleaning right there. Look at the difference. Wow. All right, we'll take some pictures of the final when I'm all done.